So today we have a rainbow to remind us the God's not going to kill us all in a flood. That's nice. And I've been letting the ducks in and putting them back out inside their place. Hey puppers, how's it going? Yeah, my yard is a mess. I'll clean this out. Hey guys, how's it going? And this is what's behind me right now. We'll walk away. See what they're doing. I can't see, but there's the ducks. Water is always something that makes them lose concentration. I put this down because there's one duck who steps on his feet. This one right here. So give them this little ramp so they can get in. He can get out, or she can get out now, but... And here, water. That's where the food goes. That's where they sleep. Get some grass when they're inside. They're all like, what's he doing in there? Well, let's see what I'm doing here. And here they come. It's got water in my eye. Here they come. Slide there. Nice jump. Come on. Come on, guys. I'm gonna go out and get them to go in. The smallest two. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Don't go this way. Go that way. I feel like a shepherd with ducks instead of sheep. Let's see if this guy figures it out. Nice jump. Come on, buddy. You have a whole ramp. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, I'm impressed. That's the second time he's managed to do that in like 4 days. Might not even need the ramp.